Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add HTML files in your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now for this, we'll be using the cPanel file manager, which is the native file browser system within cPanel, and it freely allows you to both add and edit HTML files within it itself, so let's get right into it. Now of course, the first step is to log into your cPanel. You access this by either typing in your server IP address or your server domain address in the URL bar, and then either adding /cPanel if it's the URL address, the domain address, or if it's either the domain or IP, you can just add :2083 and that'll take you over to cPanel. Now, after that, once you're there, you just need to navigate to files and click on the file manager, and that'll open up your file view and you can freely access your public HTML folder. This is exactly where the HTML files are supposed to go, so just go into there, and then you should also publish the index.html page if you don't have it, since that is needed for the site to run properly. But once you enter the public HTML folder, at the top toolbar you will see a plus, which will allow you to add files. Then you just need to locate them on your local device, whether it's your PC or whatever it is, and after that, that is pretty much it. You just select those files, upload them, and your files will be uploaded to your website through cPanel. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.